Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tailgate light bars that are available on the market for their true quality. These light bars not only enhance your vehicle's safety, but also add a touch of style. If you're looking for the brightest, most durable, and feature-packed options, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Nanpoku 60-inch triple-row tail light bar. This is a solid choice for those on a tighter budget, but still looking for a versatile and bright light bar. Featuring a triple-row design with 432 LED chips, it delivers 300% more brightness compared to single or double-row alternatives. The bar offers full functionality, including running lights, brake lights, turn signals, reverse lights, and even emergency strobe lights. This versatility ensures you're covered in any driving scenario. In terms of build quality, the Nanpoku light bar is constructed from durable PVC and rubber materials and boasts an IP67 waterproof rating. This means it can handle rainy and snowy conditions with ease. Installation is straightforward with no drilling required, thanks to its 4-pin flat connector and self-adhesive tape. However, some users have noted that decoding might be necessary for certain vehicle models, which could be an extra step for some buyers. The Nanpoku light bar is an excellent value proposition at just $20.99. While it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, such as sequential turn signals, it's perfect for drivers who need a reliable and bright tailgate light without breaking the bank. However, keep in mind that it can only display one function at a time, which might be a limitation for some users. Overall, it's a great entry-level option for casual drivers. Coming in at number 4, we have the Nilight 60-inch truck tailgate light bar. At just $17.99, this is the most budget-friendly option on our list, but it still delivers respectable performance. This single-row light bar features 108 LEDs, which Nilight claims are 35% brighter than standard chips. It provides essential functionalities such as running lights, brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights. Whether you're navigating thick traffic during the day or driving at night, this light bar ensures your vehicle is highly visible. The design prioritizes flexibility and durability. Its IP67-rated silicone-sealed housing protects the LEDs from water, dirt, and debris, making it suitable for all weather conditions. Additionally, its adhesive enhancer makes installation a breeze, no drilling required. However, some users have reported that the adhesive strength may weaken over time, so using the included mounting hardware is recommended for a more secure fit. At a lightweight 3.2 ounces, it's easy to handle and install. While the Nilight 108 LED light bar doesn't boast advanced features like sequential turn signals or strobe lights, it's an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers who need a functional and reliable tailgate light. It's ideal for smaller vehicles or as a secondary light bar for added safety. The 2-year warranty is a nice touch as well, giving you peace of mind. However, if you're looking for higher brightness or more features, you might want to consider one of the higher-ranked options. At number 3, we have the MICTUNING 60 inches triple-row tailgate light bar. Priced at $28.72, this light bar strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. It features 504 LEDs arranged in a triple-row configuration, delivering exceptional brightness. The 5 full functions include running lights, brake lights, sequential turn signals, reverse lights, and emergency strobe lights, making it one of the most versatile options in this price range. MICTUNING has focused on durability, equipping this light bar with a fully sealed silicone housing and an IP67 waterproof rating. This ensures it can handle harsh weather conditions, whether it's pouring rain or heavy snowfall. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to its 4-way flat connector and strong adhesive tape. However, some users have mentioned that additional adapters may be required for specific vehicles, so check your compatibility before purchasing. This light bar is perfect for drivers who want reliable performance without going over budget. The sequential turn signals add a modern touch, while the strobe light function enhances safety during emergencies. However, at 0.01 ounces, the lightweight design might feel less substantial compared to heavier premium options. Overall, it's a fantastic mid-range choice for daily drivers and occasional haulers alike. In the runner-up spot, we have the Nilight TR04 Truck Tailgate Bar at $30.16. This light bar offers an impressive set of features and is perfect for those seeking premium performance at a mid-range price. With 504 LEDs in a triple-row layout, this product is 300% brighter than traditional tailgate light bars. It offers 6 full functions, including running lights, brake lights, sequential turn signals, reverse lights, and strobe lights, giving you everything you need for enhanced visibility and safety. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a fully silicon-sealed housing with an IP67 waterproof rating. This makes it ideal for all seasons and weather conditions. Installation is easy, with its peel-and-stick design and 4-pin flat connector. However, like other models, it may require additional adapters for some vehicles. At 5 ounces, it's slightly heavier than other options, giving it a more substantial feel. The Nilight TR04 is an excellent choice for drivers who want a high-performance light bar without stepping into premium pricing territory. The sequential turn signals and strobe lights add a modern and functional touch, making it great for trucks, SUVs, and trailers. However, its brightness and advanced features might be overkill for casual users. If you want the best balance of performance and price, this is a strong contender. Finally, at number 1, we have the MICTUNING 60-inch LED tailgate light bar. This premium option, priced at $37.99, is the top choice for those who want the best of the best. It features 432 LEDs in a triple-row configuration, delivering unparalleled brightness. The 5 powerful functions include driving lights, brake lights, reverse lights, sequential turn signals, and double flash emergency lights. MICTUNING has even improved the brake light's non-stop flashing function for enhanced visibility. What sets this light bar apart is its build quality. Made from top-tier materials with an IP68 waterproof rating, it's designed to withstand extreme weather conditions and last over 50,000 hours. Installation is simple with its plug-and-play design, although some users might need a specific adapter for certain vehicles. At 7 ounces, it feels robust and premium. The MICTUNING light bar is ideal for drivers who demand the highest quality, whether for daily commutes or heavy-duty hauling. Its bright and efficient performance, coupled with advanced features like sequential signals and double flash, makes it worth the higher price. If you're looking for a premium, long-lasting option with all the bells and whistles, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.